Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Do you like the metaverse? Do you like online games? Do you like NFTs? Then you will definitely like this project. We will be talking about Metawin. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and as usual, everything is linked down below in the description, and let's dive deep into this exciting project. So guys, here we are on the platform Metawin. Let's have a look and see what's going on. And first of all, the execution of the 3D work and the graphics is just top notch. As you can see here, it's just amazing. As you can see, it's a beautiful layout for a website. Over there on the left hand corner, you will find the drop down menu. You can have home, metawin.com, NFT, about us, team, press, and then their social media. We will go through that in a minute, but let's have a look at the video they are presenting you is here, and let's play to see the level of graphics we're talking about here. It's just, oh wow. I mean, okay. Yeah, they put some thought into all details here, and the graphic is just top notch. It's high quality, high definition. Even the promo video even is just amazing. So let's go to the website and dig deeper into what's going on. As you can see here, we were at home, and let's go to the NFT section. What's going on in the NFT section? It's an NFT project, and you can have it here, a license to thrill. It's a lifetime access to winning in Web 3.0 or Web 3. So you can join the Discord to get more information about the project and have more interaction with the community. And here in a nutshell, they have 10,000 unique pieces. The whitelist is available on the Discord, so I would say you can have a look over there and you can interact with people and you can ask questions. Probably you can get over the whitelist and read through it, and if you have any inquiry or any question, you can just raise your hand and ask, and people will be more than happy to reply. Here you can have play $1 million in day one free prizes. That's a massive number. And here you have head-to-head challenges, NFTs versus NFTs and Ethereum. And here you can have the investing opportunities. You can have the ability to list your own NFT as prizes, license your blue chip NFTs in the game, and then bank your MetaWinner DAC to gain rewards. So these are your investment options. And then you can decide community decision driven revenue pool, meaning that they can involve people or community in driving or steering the project in a certain direction. You can contribute here by private MetaWinner Web3 chat access, and you can create also help shape the future of winning. So it's kind of a community driven project, so you can have your word, you can have your saying in what's going on, and then you can have a collective overview or collective decision on the next steps for the project. As you can see here, it's a digital access chips, meaning that the MetaWinner Digital Access Chips are unique collection of 10,000 utility-driven NFTs. It's a utility-driven NFTs, meaning that you can actually use them or transfer them or exchange them. As a MetaWinner, you will join us in building this community from the ground up and help to shape the future of the project. Here's your chance to own the game, meaning again that they're confirming that's a community-driven project. You can have the word, you can have a saying, and your word will be heard and probably even executed if it makes sense and if many people agree with you on your decision. So it's kind of a democracy over here. Every algorithm generated chips come from one of 4 categories: digital access chips, and there are 4,444 cyber edition, royal editions, and special editions. As you can see here, rarity is kind of increasing and unique ID numbers are displayed, meaning that it identifies you in the Metawin community, so you can keep track of what's going on. Of course, here you can find join us on Discord. You can just join them on Discord, and as I told you, they're quite cooperative and you can ask questions. You can have raise your hand and just raise your inquiry, and they will be more than happy to interact with you and answer anything you might have. In the near term, we aim to entertain, democratized, and some blue chip NFT ownership and create a strong demand for the products we built while earning the trust and respect of our community, meaning again that they are stressing on the importance of community and they are putting it priority number 1, that the community is satisfied and the community has its saying in every step they take. Overall mission is to raise the profile of Web3 and smart contract technology across the world and help bringing it into mainstream using our strapline winning in Web3. You can get in touch, you can ask, you can read even more, you can inform yourself on the game, and here you can have the frequently asked questions, so you don't have to bother yourself, or if you're kind of shy to ask questions directly to people you probably don't know, you can get here FAQs and you can get some quick answers, and they're quite satisfactory. Even I had some inquiries, and here the drop down list, you can just have your answers laid down beautifully and you can revise them as you need. So going to another aspect of this project, which is about us. Who are they? What are they doing? Why are they doing that in the first place? They're entrepreneurs, Web3 focused technology company. They believe that the smart contract tech is a set of mass adoption and will form an important part on our everyday lives in the future. So they're passionate about NFTs and how it's owned, how it's traded, how it's collected, and how do they include the BAYC. I don't know how to kind of pronounce these acronyms here, the Mac and Doodles and Azukis, Moonbirds, and other blue chips as well. I mean, these are big names in the industry right now, or in the metaverse right now, or blue chips as people like to call them. And the founders are also tech investors and committed to the space with a private holding in companies such as MetaMask. So you can see a big name here, MetaMask. Everyone knows MetaMask, everyone uses MetaMask, so you can rest assured that we're dealing with big names over here. And here they're experienced exes, used to build the startups from scratch, and also have the digital advertising and gaming background, meaning that they know what they're doing, they have already experience in such a thing. And even here you can find on this corner, you can have that you can get into careers as well. So you might need to drop them a message if you like to join them as a career wise. If you're into IT, if you're into programming, if you're into marketing, whatever, you can just join the team as a person who work or put some effort into such a project. So here's a team. You can get into the team, the management, operation, marketing, all of that good stuff. You can read through them. They're real people. They're actual people. They're not really putting avatars or anything. They're just real people, interactive, and you can ask them questions. You can even check them on LinkedIn, or some of them even are putting their Instagram. So you can just have the peace of mind somehow that there are real people doing real thing for a long time. They're just not coming out of nowhere. So as you can see here, it's well operational and it's well structured as well, so you can get through it and you can inform yourself more. The press here, they are looking for just informing the mass community here what's going on. As you can see, the press is working hard to deliver the message and to get the attention of people. And also they have their Discord and Instagram and Twitter. For me personally, I like Twitter and I use Twitter a lot, so I always look for Twitter to have clues how the project going, where is it heading, and how big is the community. As you can see here, once you open Metawin Twitter, you will find that they're currently having 75.2 thousand followers. And as I told you, the community is quite interactive. The community is just liking each other. They're just loving to interact with each other, and you can ask questions. You can get involved in many aspects within this project, and people will just help you out of nowhere, and you can get more information on what's going on. As you can see here, they have also the metawin.com. Bear in mind, that's Metawin XYZ, and they also have the metawin.com. So we have to pay attention to that. Once you enter the metawin.com, you will be welcomed here winning in the Web3. You can see how many wallets are connected, competitors and competitions, and all of the good stuff. And as you can see here, that's the NFTs they're talking about. Some big names here. I mean, that's Bored Ape Yacht Club and some Space Riders as well. That's quite affordable, but some prices here are kind of out of reach for many people. But you can get yourself more informed and more have a look at it, see what's going on here. But you will need to connect your wallet. It's a MetaMask wallet, and they have a MetaMask employee or an ex-employee working with MetaMask, so you will have the peace of mind that things are just going well over here. So that's in a nutshell what's going on with such a project. Let's go back to the home page here and give you again an overview. As you can see, things are just well executed, and it will give you the confidence that this project is well thought and it's well executed and it's heading to the right direction. Another interesting project we have here is the NvirWorld. It's quite interesting to see the development of play-to-earn ecosystem, or the play-to-earn kind of arena going on here. So this one is very promising, and it's kind of pushing forward to be one of them. As you can see here, it's a new play-to-earn formula. So they have the Bankconverse and NHub and the NvirMarket, and also they have the white paper and the X Club. What's interesting here that you can go to the white paper and you can get an overview of what's going on. Let me just open it up here. As you can see, they put some good execution here. The inverse here, the Bankconverse, that's a contact-free meta finance service that allows user to enjoy NFT P2B investments more conveniently with innovational fintech technology that combines blockchain technology and finance. That's one part. The NHub, it's a hub, a DeFi digital asset platform. It's an exchange where you can invest the digital currency and virtual currency in synthetic assets issued through the swapping and staking NVIR token and Ethereum. The NvirMarket here, it's an Ethereum-based NFT coin exchange, and it's a platform for mining, selling, buying, and trading digital assets. And here you have the club. The club, it's kind of more exclusive membership service, and you can have the roadmap as well if you wish to have a look at it. The fluidity of such a website is just amazing, and it leads you to believe that this project actually can have a very strong competition in the very near future. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the Metawin project. This project has all the qualifications to be very successful in the near future. So I would highly advise you to check it down below in the description. Get yourself more informed. The more information you have, the better decision you will make, of course. And I would advise you to have a look at what's going on. You don't necessarily have to jump in right ahead, but read and inform yourself more and more. And the more you absorb information, the more you will find things make sense, and the more you will find that this project actually makes sense to the future, and it can actually have some great potential in the very near future. So as usual, everything is linked down below in the description. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below. And till next video, bye bye.